For this project, you'll need some jars that are various sizes, some waterproof lights. These ones I got on Amazon and the link for them is in my profile. Some black spray paint, and then a variety of insects or rodents, anything that looks creepy that will fit inside the jars. You can even do eyeballs. You would just have to poke holes into them so that they sink. Now grab whichever insect or little creature you're gonna use and we're gonna place it in our jar. And then we'll add water. Now, I do recommend that you make your water solution in a separate bowl and then pour it into the jar. When you're picking what color you want to use, just make sure it's a dark color paint. So don't use like a light green, make sure it's a dark green. So first, fill the bowl up with water. Then we're gonna add in a tiny drop of paint. You don't need very much at all, like that's plenty. Okay, and then we're gonna give it a mix. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pour my water into the jar. But as you can see, I made it a little bit too dark. Even with a light, you won't be able to see it very well, so I need to dump it out and add some more water. This is what you want it to look like. So it's still cloudy, but you can still see the spider. Here's what the different colors look like before I add any lights. Now I'm gonna spray paint the lids just so they don't look so new and clean. Now, while the paint is still wet, if you dab it with a paper towel, you'll get kind of like a rough exterior instead of it being like a shiny, glossy color. So you can see like that. So now what we're gonna do is put the lids together. These ones that I got from the dollar store do have 2 pieces, so I'm going to glue them together just so that I have 1 lid. And then we're gonna take the light and we're gonna glue it right to the inside like that. Okay. We're gonna put that right in the middle. So when this is on, you can see all you have to do is twist it to turn it on, and then we can untwist it to turn it off. And these lights are made to be submerged in water. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the light on, and then we're gonna put our lid on the jar. You can simply put these on the counter, or you can go to the thrift store and get an old metal tray like this. I decided to go with this rectangle tray instead, and then I added a little bit of cobwebs just to finish off the look. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video.